What's up, YouTube? I promised myself that I'm gonna make longer videos and better videos, because I was really never meant to be on YouTube, just Instagram. That's why my videos be short, but I don't know, I'm starting to have a little fun now. So guess I'm gonna do a POV to work. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with a cold start. But like I said, I'm gonna bring y'all to work with me today. And I need a GoPro, because my iPhone, no matter how many videos I delete, my shit still run out of memory. But I'm gonna do the best I can. That's why most of my videos be short. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I hit the highway. But yeah, man, I know my videos be short. But like I said, really, I wasn't gonna make a YouTube. I was just gonna stick to Instagram. Cause I know with a YouTube, you gotta do a whole lot of stuff with it. But I wanna start recording the stuff that I do, cause I actually do a lot of stuff every day to this car. Even if it's me just going places that I could be getting on video, but I don't. But yeah, and everybody keep asking about my exhaust. I got catless, no mufflers with an X pipe. Cause I know my last car, I had a Grand Marquis, I went all straight pipe, and everybody said it sounded like a truck, and I ain't like that. So I added this X pipe, and that's what it give me that little kind of Mustang sound. I get that from a lot of people that say it sound like a Mustang, especially when I get down on it. And my front cats, it was never meant for me not to have those, but one of them clogged up. And if y'all know the prices on the catalytic converters, then y'all know. So I just got them gutted. I still got them up there. They just hollowed out. So I didn't know how it was gonna sound, but I fell in love with the sound, so I kept it. But yeah, I'm gonna hit this store real quick. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when I leave out. I always gotta stop and get me a Red Bull. No matter if it works or not, I feel like it does. And by the way, I'm on E85. I tried it for the first time like, maybe like, I don't know, 5-6 months ago. Been using it ever since. If you never used it in your Vic, I'm telling you, with it being tuned or not, man, that shit does something. Bro, it make your throttle response way more like quicker, and you just feel like you got a little bit more power to me. I don't know, but I could tell the difference. So yeah, I use E85. I've been using it for a long time. But when I go on long trips, I use 93. Because it does burn a lot faster than normal gas. But like, what kind of stuff y'all want to see? I really don't be knowing. Normally I don't know. Like I said, I come from Instagram. I just do reels. I never actually did long videos. I know I took a break from sliding because my back tires is toasted. I paid $1,200 for all corners, and I didn't have these tires long. So I know when I get more back tires, I will for sure go back to sliding. Because I'm still practicing, you know. I'm trying to get great at it. Yeah, I might not be able to go the whole way because I work like 30 minutes away. I know my iPhone mirror ain't gonna take all that. But yeah, I be getting some good feedbacks on the little videos that I do be doing. So I appreciate that. And you know, you always gonna have the negative ones. But I mean, it's not too much Panther platform content out there. So I feel like we all need to come together and make videos on the Vics, the Mercs, and the Lincolns, the Marauders and stuff. Because anywhere else you always see the same cars. But I feel like we need to try and take over, you know. We need a lot more Panthers out there. Cause I'm far from done building this car though. I'm even thinking about at the end of this month getting a Marty tune, so I can actually get that E85 tune to this car, and I know it's gonna be a big difference. So yeah, it's so much stuff I want to do to this car still. I ain't nowhere near done with it. Yeah, man, I'm gonna start making longer videos. The videos might not make sense. They might be corny, but man, you gotta start somewhere. Especially when I'm modifying the car, y'all definitely gonna get a whole lot of videos with that. Cause like I say, I've been wanting to do it, but I don't know. I just don't be having the motivation. Because where I'm from it's really just me. It's really just me doing all this. If I had like a partner or something, you know, we can make content together, it'd be different, but it's just me. So I'm so used to just doing everything by myself. And I do most of the work by myself too. So that's what's gonna make it even better. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm closer to my job. Cause like I said, I got a long way. But just driving on the highway, that shit gets boring. Can't really hear my exhaust like that. Ooh. But yeah, man, you know, these cars not the fastest, but I love my car, man. You know, eventually I will drop a 5.0 in here for a fact. For a fact. But you know that is expensive, so I'm just waiting. But until then, I'm gonna have fun with this car. I'm gonna build it. I'm gonna try to make this 4.6 fast as I can. This thing still slides so easy. Like, I love sliding it. It really takes no effort. And I run a 275, 40, 20s in the back, and 245, 40, 20s in the front. But the rims is actually for sale because I want to go with a wider setup. And I think 275 is the widest I could fit on this tire, this rim. So I will be selling these whenever I find the ones that I want. I've been looking. I know a lot of people want to buy my rims, but most of them stay too far, and these are the only set of rims I got. I would even do trades too, but these some nice rims. They kind of look like the Hellcat 5 spokes a little bit, because they kind of got a little concave with them. But yeah, there's some good rims. Like, if I could fit 305s on them, oh yeah. You know, I gotta do that every time I go on the bridge. But if I can, if these rims was wider and I could fit 305s on them, oh yeah, these boys ain't going nowhere. Cause I love these rims. But yeah, man, I'm at work now. So just be looking out for more videos, man. I promise I'm gonna start making more. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all in the next video.